in a small village in Russia, there was a woman named Babushka. She was house-proud and she had the most beautiful and cleanest house in the village. All the villagers were out in the square about a bright new star that appeared in the sky, but Babushka never noticed it. Next morning, the three kings named Caspar, Melchor, and Balthasar arrived in the village. When the three kings arrived, they heard that Babushka's house was the nicest house. They went and asked Babushka if they could stay till nightfall. Babushka was very honored and served the kings. The kings told Babushka that they were in a special journey. They were following the star to find the newborn baby called Jesus, and they were taking him a gift. The kings asked Babushka if she wanted to go with them. Then Babushka agreed and looked for a gift. Following, she searched for a gift. Then she found one. It is dirty, then she cleaned and polished it. After she cleaned them, she suddenly fell asleep, and she never noticed that it was nighttime. Then she woke up and put on her clothes and looked for the three kings. She went everywhere and asked if they had seen the kings. She traveled for miles and miles. Then she reached Bethlehem. She went to the inn. Then the landlord told her that the kings visit the baby, then left. Babushka was too late because she missed the baby. Babushka still looking for the baby, carrying her shiny gifts, and every Christmas morning, she gives gifts to every little boy and girl that she meets on her way.